So in this video, we are going to learn how to enroll student in Heights platform when new tag is added to ActiveCampaign contact. Let's say you are using ActiveCampaign as an email marketing platform and Heights platform as a LMS where you have created your online course. Now you want that whenever you add a specific tag to a contact in your ActiveCampaign account, you want to add that same contact or enroll that same contact to the course in your Heights platform. So let me tell you, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can completely automate this process in such a way that whenever the specific tag will be added to the contact in ActiveCampaign, the same contact details will be sent to Heights platform automatically, and we are going to add the same contact to the course in Heights platform. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my ActiveCampaign account. Now I want that whenever I add a specific tag to any of the contact in my ActiveCampaign account, I want to add that same person, that same contact as a student, enroll them into a course in Height platform. Now to do this, we have to connect our ActiveCampaign account with Height platform. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. And to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for PABBLY, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here you just have to click on Access Now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on Access Now, you will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And here we have to create an automation workflow. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. So I'd like to name my workflow as ActiveCampaign to Height platform. ActiveCampaign to Height platform. Then after that, just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this automation workflow and then just click on Create. After clicking on Create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our ActiveCampaign account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new tag is added to any contact in ActiveCampaign, the details of that contact and the tag will be received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow and the automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same contact to whom we have assigned the tag to Height platform. And we are going to enroll that same person in our Height platform as well. So let's see how it is done. Here in trigger window in choose app, search for ActiveCampaign and just select it. After selecting ActiveCampaign in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new tag added, contact tag added. Just select this trigger event. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our ActiveCampaign account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key and the URL of our ActiveCampaign account. Now you must be thinking how you can get the API key and the URL to make the connection. So to do this, just go to your ActiveCampaign account and from the left sidebar, just go to settings. After coming to settings page, go to developer and under developer, you can see the URL of your ActiveCampaign account and also the API key. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, copy the URL and paste it over here as well. And here in the help text, it is clearly mentioned that we have to enter the URL without this https://. So we are going to remove this part from the URL. And after that, after entering the rest of the URL in API key, just click on save. Now as we click on save here, you can see our ActiveCampaign account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, it is asking us for the webhook name. So Pabbly Connect is going to add a webhook URL in our ActiveCampaign account. So what will be the name of that webhook URL? It is asking us that. Let's say I want to add the name of the webhook URL as Height platform. You can basically give any other name of your choice as well. And after entering the name of the webhook URL, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it has now changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a new tag being added to a contact from ActiveCampaign. So what we are going to do, we will just go to our ActiveCampaign account and I will go to the contact section. And here I'm going to add a tag in my ActiveCampaign account. So we have this contact named as dummy user and I'm going to add a tag to this contact. Here you can see I have some tags already created in my ActiveCampaign account, that is new lead, in process and course purchased. Now I have a condition that whenever only the tag of course purchased is added to a contact, only those contacts should be enrolled in the course in Hite platform. If we add a tag other than course purchase to a contact, in that case what we want to do, in that case we don't want to enroll those contacts as student in our Hite platform. Only the contacts which are getting this particular tag of course purchased, for example, only those contacts or those people should be added as student in Hite platform. Now to set up this kind of condition, we have to add a filter in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And we will do it in a later part in a couple of minutes. But first what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this tag of course purchase to a contact. So once again, I'll go to the contact section and let's assign this tag to a contact. Just click here, paste the tag name. And after that, what we are going to do, here you can see the tag will be added. And yes, here you can see course purchase. This tag is added in this contact. And as we add this tag to a contact in our ActiveCampaign account, what is going to happen? Because we have connected our ActiveCampaign account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step, we have received a response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same tag and the same contact. Here you can see the tag which we have added, that is course purchased. We'll scroll down further and we can see that who has added this tag. The admin of our ActiveCampaign account has added this tag. We have the date and time, that at what date and time this tag was applied. Then after that, once again, we have the name of the tag. We have the mobile number of the contact to whom the tag is added. We have the last name, we have the contact ID, we have the first name and the email address of the contact as well. This means all the details of the contact to whom we have added the tag in ActiveCampaign is received inside Pabbly Connect. And we also have the name of the tag which is applied. Now after this, we had a condition that only the contacts with this particular tag should be enrolled in the course in Hite platform. So we are going to set up a filter condition in the next step. For that, just come to this action step and here in choose app, search for filter and just select filter by Pabbly. Then after that, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as filter values and click on connect. After clicking on connect, it is asking us to select the label. And here under select label from this drop down, here you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from ActiveCampaign. And out of all of these responses, select this label of tag over here because we are going to set up the filter condition on this particular field, on this particular response of tag. The filter type will be equals to, and here in value, we have to enter the exact same name of the tag for which we want to set up this automation. We want to set up this filter condition. So we have added the value as course purchased. So we are setting up the filter condition that if the value of tag, if the response of tag is equals to course purchased, only in that case, this automation workflow will be continued further. After setting up this filter condition, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response as the condition is true. Because we have received the response of this course purchase tag in the response, in the trigger step response, you can see that's why it is showing us the condition is true over here. After setting the filter condition, what we want to do, we want to send the details of the same contact to Hite platform and enroll them into a course. For that, just click on this Add Action Step button and here in Choose App, just search for Hite platform. After selecting Hite's platform, here in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Enroll Student. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Hite's platform with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token, the API key of our Hite's platform account and also the subdomain. Now you must be thinking how you are going to get these details. So to get these details, just log into your Hite's platform and from the right top corner, click on this profile option and go to account settings. After coming to account settings, under custom code, here you can see the API key of your Hite's platform account. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. After that, go back to your Hite's platform and here in the URL section before .Hite's platform, you can see the subdomain. Just copy the subdomain of your account from here and then paste it over here. And after entering the subdomain and the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our Heights platform account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the included course, that in which particular course in our Heights platform we want to enroll the student. So here in this drop-down, you will get a list of all the courses which you have in your Heights platform. In my Heights platform, you will see I have only one course right now named as Python Programming. And you can see the same course over here in Pabbly Connect workflow as well. So we are going to select this course over here. Also, if you want, you can add or enroll the student in a bundle as well, which you have created in your Heights platform. Right now in my Heights platform, I have no bundle created. That's why in this drop down, you can see any option. So what we are going to do, we will just turn this mapping button on and keep this field as blank because we don't want to enroll the student to any of the bundle in our Heights platform. Then after that, it is asking us for the name, that what is the name of the student to whom we want to enroll in Heights platform. So we have received the name, email and other details of the contact to whom we have added the tag from ActiveCampaign in the trigger step response. So here you can see we have the first name, last name and the email address. And here from the trigger step responses, we want to add the same details to this Heights platform action step. And we will be using a process called mapping over here. Just click on this field of name and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous two steps. Out of all of these responses, select the response of first name and it will be mapped over here. After that, just add a space and select the response of last name and map it too. In this way, you can map the full name of the person over here. After that, in email address, once again, we will use the same process of mapping. Just click here and from the drop down, select the response of email and map it. In this way, whatever name and email address we will be having for this contact in our ActiveCampaign account, with the same details, we are going to enroll the student in Heights platform. After mapping the name, email address and selecting the course or the bundle, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the contact to whom we have added the tag in our ActiveCampaign account, dummy user, the same person is now enrolled to a course in our Heights platform. So let's check it. We will just go to Heights platform and we will just go to the members section over here. And yes, here you can see a new student is created in Heights platform named as dummy user. And this student is added to the same course which we have selected over here inside our Pabbly Connect workflow as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to add a specific tag to a contact in ActiveCampaign, the same contact will be enrolled in our Heights platform. So after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once in real time. For that, I'll just go to my ActiveCampaign account and I have another contact named as test user over here. And I'm going to add the same tag over here for this contact, course purchased. So just now we have added the tag over here and we will see as the tag is added, the same person will be added as a student or enrolled as a student in Heights platform. So we will go to Heights platform. Once again, we'll go to members section. And yes, you can see within seconds, test user, the same person with the same details, the same name and same email is added over here. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And as we enroll these users, an email is sent from Heights platform to the same person, to the same email address of these students to enroll or to get access of their Heights platform account as well. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.